Hi friends, this is Miss Kim from the Dorothy Henry Library, here to show you how to make a take and make tissue paper penguin to celebrate this year's Tales and Tales summer reading theme. Your take and make kit has almost everything you need to make the tissue paper penguin. Let's take a look at what's included. First, you have the cardboard penguin template. This is what we'll be attaching the tissue paper to. Then you have a string. You can attach this to the penguin to make a hanger, and two googly eyes to add for decoration. And then of course the tissue paper. There are three colors, orange, black, and white included to use to decorate the penguin. So that's everything in the take and make kit. What do you need? You'll need some glue. It's not included. You can use liquid school glue or a glue stick like I have here. And the only other thing that you need that's not included is a pencil. We're mostly going to be using the eraser end of a pencil to put down our tissue paper. So that's it. Those are all of the supplies. Now to get started, take your penguin template, and you'll notice that there are some lines on it, the belly, the beak, and the eyes. So in different areas, we'll put down different tissue paper. The black tissue paper will be the body of the penguin. So we'll be using mostly black all around the arms, the head, and so on. The white will go in the belly area and fill in the eyes. And then the orange will be used as an accent for the beak, the nose, and the feet. So to get started, we're going to need our glue, our pencil, and our tissue paper. I'm going to start with some black tissue paper around the belly. Begin by placing down a little bit of glue. I like to work in small areas so the glue doesn't dry before I get to it. So I put down a little bit of glue. Then I grab my tissue paper square and my pencil. Place the eraser end of the pencil in the center of the tissue paper square and gently wrap the tissue paper around the eraser. Just like that. Then place the covered eraser end down into the glue. Lift up the pencil and push down any tissue paper that's sticking up. And that's the technique that we're doing. So you can continue doing this again and again. Here I'm doing a little bit of the belly and around the belly. And you keep doing that, fill in different areas black, the white in the belly and around the eyes, and the beak and the feet orange, just like so. Then we can add the googly eyes, right in that white part where the eyes are. Again, use your glue to attach the googly eyes. And our penguin is almost done. We have one more thing to add, and that is the string hanger. So you'll notice that little hole at the top of the penguin's head. Just feed the string through there and tie a knot at the top to create a hanger. You may want to double knot it. And you can cut off any extra. And there's your penguin. Super cute, super awesome, and a really great decoration. That matches with our summer reading theme. You can also earn 100 points on READsquared with the code PENGUIN.